Hello and welcome to my channel, On the Hook Crochet with Jeannie. So I want to show you something that we'll be having on the hook every month, and this is the Annie's Holiday Spice Afghan Kit Club, and loving this, loving this. This is what it looks like. This is a pamphlet that you receive in each kit out of 10. There are 10 kits, and you receive this with your kit, and in each kit is a grouping of beautiful yarns by Premier. I'll show that in a second. And then also what you'll be working on that particular kit. So it's very interesting to receive the kit and know that you have to get that done before the next kit comes in. And it's a real motivator to get this Afghan finished. And it absolutely is gorgeous. And I'll show it to you here in just a second. But first of all, I want to show you what comes in the kits. Since I have already worked on this Kit 3, I've already finished it. I wanted to show you what came in the kit. And before I started working on the yarns, these are the yarns that came in the kit. And they all come in a beautiful, in a beautiful way. They're not all worn down like this. This is after I already finished the kit. So these are the colors that I received in this kit, and they're quite gorgeous. We used a lot of evergreen. Look at this. I only had a little bit of that left, but it was plenty to finish, not a problem at all. Even if I had frogged out some things, I would have had plenty of yarn to work with. Now, what we worked on this particular kit was these little really not granny squares, they're motifs, and then we placed this on the Afghan, this edging all around the sides, and then we fit these into between the two edgings. So that's what we worked on. And first of all, we made 12 of these little squares right here, 12 of these little floral squares, and then we attached them together, and then we set them in between the edgings. And just look at this. This is so gorgeous. Now, this is how it turned out. I have plenty of ends that I haven't sewn in yet. I'll be doing that some night in front of TV. I'll probably be working on that. But right now, I'm not worried about those too much. I just want to get the Afghan finished. So here it is. It's not been stretched or anything. I've just kind of sewn it in there. And we put this edging around the edge, and then we actually put these three motifs together, and then we fit them in on the edge of the Afghan. And the designer on the video tells you exactly how to do all that. So it's not hard at all. You just follow what she has to say, and she will show you all about how to do it. And also this section here was another section that we did in this particular kit. So we put these on, and then we fit these into the corners, and they're just gorgeous. Look at that. I'm just so pleased with this Afghan. I'm going to back up and show you what I've done so far. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. I'm just so excited about having this in my home. It is a work of art, as Mr. On the Hook said. We really need to hang it up, and I said, no, we're going to use it because it's nice and heavy, and it'll be nice and warm in the fall and winter. And in the spring and summer, I can just lay it over a chair, and it will be beautiful in the room because all of these colors are in my decor, so it's going to be absolutely gorgeous in there. But until then, I'm using it on the back of my chair here in my office, and I get to look at it every single day. Now, I have finished the Kit 3, like I said, so if you're interested in crocheting along with me, please go down in the description box, and there's a link down there. You can click on that link, and you can sign up for each month's kit. And what you'll do is receive a 50% discount. If you use that link down there, you can get a 50% discount off your first kit. And when you get the kit, you will see how gorgeous it is, and it's so beautifully done. And what's the most important is the video that you can go by. Any beginner crocheter can do this. If you have the video, you can easily work through it. And an advanced beginner, an intermediate crocheter, any of those categories can make this particular Afghan, and they've designed it so that it can be done. You just have to use the video. If you get lost or you feel like you need help, you can use the video, or you can use it all the way through. You can do it either way. So I really enjoyed watching the designer talk about her beautiful Afghan and how you can crochet it and make it right. And there are some stitch counts, and you'll have to keep up with that, but it's not really hard. Even I, who don't like stitch counts, have been able to keep up, and I have the exact number of stitches that I'm supposed to around the edge, so I'm ready for my next kit. And actually what happened the other day was I was finishing this up, and actually I wasn't finishing it up, I was almost finished with it, and look what came in the mail, the next kit. So I have kit number 4 already here, and I'm ready and excited to get started on that. So be sure to go down in the description box if you're interested in crocheting along with me. There are other color combinations as well. This is the Holiday Spice. These are the predominant colors in it, and they're beautiful. They're beautiful. But this might not be your decor. You might want to, you might be a blue person, or you might be a green person, or you might be someone interested in just a very light pastel. They have all the colors that you'd ever want in Annie's Afghan Kit Club. So you can go there, use the link, and crochet along with me. So until we finish our next kit and I check in with you, join me then to find out what's on the hook.